Planning a road trip with friends or family? Make sure you're prepared to make the trip go as smoothly as possible. In this video, we'll talk you through the essential tips for planning a road trip. We will cover planning before you set off, what you should take with you, and how to stay safe on the road. So, why is planning so important for a road trip? Spontaneity can be exciting, but poor organisation can lead to unnecessary issues. Planning makes sure your car is well stocked, you know where you're going, and all of your passengers are ready to go. Even last-minute trips need some planning to ensure safety and enjoyment. Before setting off, there are a few things that you need to plan and consider. Destination and route. Where are you going and how long will it take to get there? Establish your end destination and plan your route using online map tools like Google Maps. Consider distance, road conditions, roadworks, and interesting stops along the way. This will help to ensure a smoother journey. Next up is budget planning. A clear financial plan helps to manage expenses and avoid overspending. Establish a budget for fuel, accommodation, meals, activities, and parking. Set aside a contingency fund in case of unexpected costs along the way. And who are your travel companions? Solo trips can be peaceful, but as a learner driver, you'll need insurance and someone 21 or over in the front seat of the vehicle with a valid UK licence. You will also not be able to drive on motorways, which could affect where you can travel. For trips with friends and family, plan pick-up points along the way to avoid delays. Make sure you feel confident driving with passengers and are able to set boundaries for noise levels to help you concentrate when you are out on the roads. And some packing essentials. What do you need? This may vary based on your plans, but essentials often include food, drinks, and specific items needed for activities at your destination, such as changes of clothing or toiletries. Safety essentials. Safety is a top priority. Pack an emergency kit with the essentials like a first aid kit, flashlight, jumper cables, a spare tyre, and a charged mobile phone with emergency contacts. This will ensure you are safe for any unforeseen circumstances on your trip. Navigation aids. While smartphone GPSs are convenient, carry backup navigation aids like a physical map or standalone GPS devices. This will cover you if your phone dies or if you lose signal while you are driving on country roads. And some comfort items for passengers. Bring comfort items like pillows and blankets. Long hours on the road can be tiring, so prioritising comfort ensures a smoother trip for your passengers. If you are a learner driver, make sure that your supervising driver is alert and aware at all times. A supervising driver is there to keep you safe, so they need to be alert and aware when you are out on the roads. Bring some healthy snacks. Pack healthy snacks like fresh fruit, nuts, seeds, and whole grain crackers. Staying hydrated is also crucial, so bring plenty of water or non-alcoholic beverages. Being hungry and dehydrated will make it very hard to concentrate, so make sure that you are fueled for the journey. Next up is what you should do on the road. Perform a thorough vehicle check before you set off. Inspect your oil levels, tyre pressure, brakes, and fluid to avoid unexpected breakdowns. Drive responsibly. Adhere to speed limits, avoid distractions, and always wear your seatbelt. And make sure that all of the passengers in the vehicle are also wearing their seatbelts too. Responsible driving protects you and others on the road, so be sure that you are being alert and aware at all times. Take regular breaks. Combat fatigue by scheduling regular rest stops. Take breaks every 2 hours or whenever is needed to stay alert and refreshed. It is not safe to drive when you are overly tired, and this is when accidents happen. So listen to your body if you are struggling and pull over to the nearest rest stop. Stay informed about weather forecasts and road conditions. Being aware of potential hazards ensures a smoother journey and safety. When you have a break stop, you can check your phone for unexpected roadwork, traffic, and weather conditions. By following these essential tips, you can ensure a safe and memorable road trip. If you are a learner driver looking for more tips, be sure to subscribe to see future videos from Collingwood. Thank you for watching this video and safe driving.